Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Binance. In order to send your Dogecoin token from your Trust Wallet over to Binance, simply open up your Trust Wallet application. So make sure you've opened up Trust Wallet, and once Trust Wallet has opened up, simply use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for Doge and simply click on Dogecoin. Now we're going to be sending the Dogecoin token on the Dogecoin network, not on any other network. So click on Dogecoin. Make sure you have enough Dogecoin to cover your gas fees. So click on send, and then you're asked to enter an address and an amount. So simply minimize and open up Binance. Once you've opened up Binance, simply click on the add funds option. Click on deposit crypto. Use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for Doge. Click on the Dogecoin. Select the Doge network. Copy this, minimize, and open up Trust Wallet. Paste the address there. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you wish to send. Click on next. And then proceed to send your Dogecoin tokens over from your Trust Wallet to your Binance. And all you need to do to confirm its arrival is head back to Binance. Perform a simple reload at your assets menu or the wallets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Perform a reload and you'd find your Dogecoin here. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.